Next question. Anong ginagawa mo para mapanatiling ang balance sa buhay kahit na hindi madali? Wala. My life is so fucked up right now. So, I don't think I'm fit to answer this question. Balance is all about making time for what's important. Hindi kailangan perfect. Basta you're trying. I don't even know if I'm still trying. But I want to do better. I want to be better. I don't know. Anong huling bagay na nagpabigat ng loob mo? Paano mo hinaharap ito? Funny thing is, my ex, created a playlist for her new girl. And yung mga songs na nasa playlist na yun are songs that I have already dedicated to her. And I know it's not that deep, it's not that kasi may one song rin actually na inintroduce sa akin nung ex ko sa akin, and inintroduce ko rin siya sa ex ko right now. And it didn't mean anything to me, I just loved the song. Pero kasi parang super fresh pa sa mind ko yung breakup namin. And alam ko naman na sa akin lang, ako lang yung apektado. Ako lang yeah, it really sucked, really sucked. At yeah, minlain, tumatsyag. And especially the caption she had sa playlist. It made me realize na they love each other na yata talaga. Na she is loving someone na fully. She is na wala na talaga ako, like wala, parang wala daw, wala tamo na tabo daw, lang ako na feel daw, never tamo nagka-something. Pero I know na somehow she grieved the relationship rin. Pero alam niyo yung song na feels like we've had matching wounds, but mine's still black and bruised, and yours is perfectly fine. So, parang ganun lang. And I know it's not her fault. Kasi alam ko naman na people have different, move on. People move on in a short time, in shorter time, and some people move on longer. Kaya I understand naman, and I don't completely blame her. Pero sakit lang kasi syempre fresh pa sa akong gani. So, it's not her fault. It's just me. Paano mo na-handle ang huling big argument mo with a friend or family? We just never talked about it again. Kay mama, actually, I'm referring to my mother. I think that was the biggest argument we've had in our entire life. Kami ni mama. And me with my family. I think that was the biggest argument I've ever had with someone, actually. And we just never talked about it ever again. Yeah. Next, paano mo pina-prioritize ang sarili mo sa araw-araw? I don't go to school when I don't feel like it. Ginagasal ko sa sarili ko na mental health, para to sa mental health ko, pero I know I'm fucking it up. Pero yeah. I'm just tired of being the person that shows up kahit na mahirap. I'm just so fucking tired of everything. Next, paano mo hinaharap ang pakiramdam na parang wala kang na-achieve? Paano nga ba? Parang wala akong na-achieve. Wala, I just don't think about it. Paano mo hinaharap ang panahon na kailangan mo magpatawad pero hindi mo pa kaya? I don't forgive. Why would you forgive? I mean, sure, it can help you. Pero for me, I can help myself kahit hindi ako mag-forgive. So, I don't forgive people. I am a very madumot person. I don't forgive people. Anong klaseng music ang lagi mong pinapakinggan kapag stress ka? I'm the type of person that listens to everything. So, whatever's in my playlist, I guess. How do you identify your need to help for How do you identify your need to ask for help sa iyong mental health? I don't know. Wala. I want to kill myself. May isang memorya ba na lagi mong iniisip kapag nalulungkot ka? Like a happy memory? I don't have one. Kung may taong kang gusto kausapin ngayon, sino siya at bakit? Obviously, my ex, I guess. I would want some clarity. I'm the type of person that loves clarity and hates being confused. So, if pwede sana, I'd like to talk to her and clarify things out. Kahit not to fix our relationship. I don't care. I mean, I do care about them. Pero, for the sake of my mental health and my peace of mind, I think it would do me good if I talk to her one last time. But I know it won't happen, so I'm not counting on it. May isang bagay bang nagbibigay sa'yo ng comfort from your child? My guitar. Kung bibigyan mo ang sarili mong ng reward ngayon, ano ito at bakit? I wanna travel so bad. If I had money, if I could, I'd travel. I would, actually. Kapag nakaranas ka ng sobrang pag-aalala, anong una mong ginagawa para kumalma? Tumulog. Or listen to music. Or distract myself or watch some series. May oras ba na mas pinili mong manahimik kaysa mag-open up? Kasi, yeah. And kasi, related naman to sa ex ko. Kasi, hindi naman kami magkakaintindihan if mag-open up ako. So, I just chose to keep quiet kasi wala man punto. Sinong taong gusto mong hinga ng tawad at bakit hindi mo pa nagagawa? My ex? I really would like to say sorry for how I treated her when we were still together. And I want to tell her na I am going to be a better person. Ganun. What makes you want to continue? My sister? I still need to pay her back for everything she's done for me. Paano mo nalaman na kailangan mo ng tulong pero natatakot kang humingi? When I tried to kill myself. Anong pinakamahirap na bagay na kinailangan mong tanggapin sa sarili mo na red flag ako and I'm not perfect? And the fact that I've become so much like my father. Fucking hate. Sinong una mong naisip kapag masaya ka? Ano tapos na? Ate. I guess. Anong klaseng self-care activity ang gusto mong subukan pero hindi mo pa nagagawa? Yung face something. Tapos yung mag-lotion for And hindi ko pa siya nagagawa kasi I don't have the fucking money to buy products. Sino ang pinupuntahan mo kapag feeling mo lost ka? No one. I'll figure it out myself. Kasi in the end, diba? you have no one else but yourself in the end. Anong words of encouragement ang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo kapag overwhelmed ka? Mamamatay rin tayong lahat. Charot. It's only temporary. Not to be cliche, not to be cringe or anything, pero just continue lang kahit bisan sakit, continue lang bala pa kabuhi lang bala kag padayon na lang mo. Madula na. Promise, madula gidya. Anong pinakamasakit na bagay na na-realize mo tungkol sa friendship? Na you will outgrow each other. And some people, kahit anong bonds na brand new, kahit anong you will outgrow each other. And sometimes those people, kahit ano nang pinagsamahan niya, those people aren't the people that you need in your life talaga. Promise. Saan ka humuhugot ng lakas kapag nahihirapan ka? Myself. Sa sarili ko. Promise, I don't have... Wala, sarili ko talaga. Anong pinakamasakit na sinabi sa'yo from someone you love? My mind is blurry. I don't know. Kasi, I tend to... Pinipilit ko sarili ko to forget things I don't like. Kaya, pag masakit siya or pag I try to forget it. Kasi when I remember, masakit lang. Charot. Alam ko naman na it's a part of the growth and you are who you are because, na-hurt ka. Ganun. I just don't want to remember. Kung may isang tao kang gustong pasalamatan ngayon, sino siya at bakit? Thank you so much sa ate ko. Nabisan. Bisan mini naton sitwasyon sa secret. Anong pinaka-valuable na natutunan mo about mental health recently? Kapag hindi mo kaya, talk to someone. Promise. And if you have a friend who's willing to be by your side every time, always, treasure them. Kasi I promise you, they will and they can help you if they are good friends. Saan ka kumukuha ng pag-asa kapag feeling mo lahat ay hindi naaayon sa plano? Saan ka kumukuha ng pag-asa? Wala. I just think na it will be better eventually. Or, parabi, the thing I wanted didn't, there will be something better na maabot. That's the only thing that keeps me, that's the thing I think about if things don't go according as planned. If you were to write your unsaid feelings to your father, what would it be? I wish you didn't have us. Like, promise, Tani, wala na lang kami nagawa. And not in a I hate you way. Pero for your own good rin. And for our own good. Kasi my father is not the type of person na fit to be a father. You know, those things na there are parents na hindi dapat naging parents. Parang ganun. Papa was never really the husband type or the father type. But I know he tried naman. Nung pinakamalaking bagay na natutunan mo mula sa pagkakamali mo na it doesn't define who you are, and use your mistakes mistakes as a guide na hindi mo na yun gagawin ulit, or anong pinakamasayang memory mo at bakit sobrang mahalaga ito sa'yo. I don't know, man. I actually don't know. May pagkakataon bang nawalan ka ng pag-asa? Paano mo muling natagpuan yan? I haven't. Still don't. I guess right now, the only thing that's keeping me going is the mindset na it will pass. If I feel hopeless today, it will pass. There will come a day na I will feel thankful na I chose to live. Last na tayo, guys. Nagpanggap ka na bang hindi ka masaya kahit hindi ka okay? Syempre, sino ba namang hindi? Paano mo ito hinaharap? Forward. Anong ginagawa mo the last time you felt na parang iniwan ka na ng mundo? I tried to kill myself, but I guess I just slept through it. Tinulugan ko. Promise, guys, if you can't face your problem pa, or if you don't want to, or if hindi mo kaya, or there's any reason na hindi mo kaya ang problema mo sa mga kwan, tulugi lang ang tulugi, kag padayon lang ang padayon, tutuod, bisan daw patay ka na, bisan daw mamatay ka na, bisan daw malumpat ka na, get stop analyze a bad thing, and tulugi kag padayon sa kabuhi. Promise it will be better. Ata.